Hey guys! Welcome back to another Project Swala. Today, I am going to show and explain another simple project, a fully functional scientific calculator. So, let's get started. Now, what makes this calculator special? The features include mathematical formulas and an interactive design. This isn't just any calculator. It can handle basic arithmetic, advanced mathematical operations, and even trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, and tangent. Once you start using it, you can put in most beginner scientific expressions. And by beginner, I mean at least all expressions up to class 12th. Except inverse functions and matrix functions. You can use it just like a real calculator or the calculator on your PC and phone. So, give it a try. And if you face any errors, let us know in the comments. Now, let's go for the demo. I hope you liked the demo. It's a simple one, perfect for beginners. Now, let's move towards the code. The code structure mainly consists of three files. The HTML file named main.html, the CSS file named style.css, and the JavaScript file named script.js. It's a simple structure, but as you advance and learn more, this structure will become more and more complex. So, let's begin with the HTML file. This is the file that defines the structure of our calculator. It includes a text input field to display calculations and buttons for numbers, operators, and scientific functions. At the top, it loads a CSS file for styling and a Google font for a clean look. The calculator is placed inside a div with a class called calculator. The display field is a disabled input box where users see their calculations. The buttons are arranged in a grid layout for easy accessibility. We have number buttons from 0 to 9, operator buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And special buttons like clear, C, backspace, and equals symbol to compute results. The scientific functions include exponentiation, caret, square root, sine, sin, cosine, cos, tangent, tan, logarithm, log, exponential, and the mathematical constant pi. Clicking these buttons adds the corresponding functions to the display. At the end of the file, a JavaScript file, script.js, is linked to handle the calculator's functionality. Now, let's move forward to the CSS file. This is what makes our calculator look modern and user-friendly. The body has a centered layout with a soft gradient background. The calculator itself has a semi-transparent background with a blur effect, giving it a smooth and floating look. The display screen is wide, has rounded corners, and a soft white background for easy readability. The buttons are arranged in a grid layout with equal spacing. They have a soft gradient color and rounded corners. When hovered, they slightly darken and expand for an interactive feel. Operator buttons are orange, the equals button is green, and the clear button is red to make them stand out. The overall style is clean, modern, and responsive. Now, the final and most important part, JavaScript. This JavaScript file controls the calculator's logic. The clear display function removes all text from the display. The backspace function deletes the last character from the display. The append to display value function adds a value to the display when a button is clicked. The calculate result function evaluates the expression and shows the result. If there is an error, it displays error. The script also supports keyboard input. Numbers and operators can be typed directly. Pressing enter calculates the result. The backspace key removes the last character. And the escape key clears the display. And that's it. A simple but powerful scientific calculator that you can build and use yourself. If you liked this project, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy coding!